Right, so I'm back at my brick house, and just to refresh those who have been watching, this is the house that I'm struggling to break even on. It's gonna be one of the few losses I've had in 26 years if it doesn't work out. But we do have some good news, is that we are set to close. I believe it's on Monday. So today is Wednesday. So here in just a few days, we're gonna close. So I'll have this off my books and just tell you where I went wrong with this. So I have a rule, a percentage profit that I insist that I get on every deal. And I hadn't done a deal in a while, and that's why I did this deal. The other thing is, I really don't buy very many deals on MLS. It's hard to get deals on the MLS. It's hard to find stuff that you can have a profit in it, especially if the market drops. Let's check in my unit here. This all looks good. So it's looking good. Hopefully it's the last time I gotta walk this house. I'm ready to be done with this one, because this one is not gonna be a moneymaker for me, that's for sure. And I'm just happy to get done with it. But anyways, hard to get a deal in MLS. You can. It's a little bit easier if you have an agent who will give you some pocket listings, ones that aren't on MLS, and maybe they need some work. You can get some deals that way. And that's what I try and promote whenever I have an agent that I work with. Hey, send me any deals you don't want to list because they're too bad. That's my baby right there. That's the one I can buy. As a matter of fact, the agent, she did a really good job in this house. But the agent that sold this one for me, which is not closed yet, it's not closed and sold until everything's done, the money's in your account. But she did a really good job. And as a matter of fact, the conversation we had this morning, she's like, hey, Randy, I want to work with you more. Will you consider using me on some other things? And so I told her I would. She hustled. She did a good job. A little expensive commission, in my opinion, but she did a good job. So I will use her again. But I told her, I was like, hey, I'd love to use you again, but also keep me in mind for any houses that need work, apartments, mobile home parks, anything like that you don't want to list in the as-is condition. Keep me in mind, because that's the kind of stuff I want to buy. So now we're doing our walk through this house, and it's gonna be a little bit dark. I want to talk you through a couple things I'm walking through here. Make sure nobody's in here, make sure nothing's leaking. House overall looks really good. It turned out really good. Actually smells really good in here. So excited to get this one off the books. Hopefully the family that's buying it will be happy. It is a great house, really spacious, laid out really well. So it's gonna be a great house for somebody. We put a lot of work into it. I think I paid around, I think it was around $290 for this. Garage looks good. Just kind of walking through, making sure I don't see anything weird going on in here. Don't want something to go wrong a few days before closing if I can help it. But I think I paid about $290 for it. I had to put about $50,000 in it. We did a lot of work on this. And that brings me to a comment that somebody made on one of my other videos. They were hating that I was making money. Here's the thing. So I mentor about 25 real estate investors through the We Buy Ugly Houses franchise. And I had a real estate investor that his dad bought a franchise. He was having a hard time making money on people. And I said, look, you guys are in the risk business. You're taking someone's risk off their plate. They don't have to worry about it. And when the market's declining some, like the market has been around the whole US over the past year or two, you're taking on even more risk. So for someone to make a comment on one of my YouTube videos, upset that I'm happy because I'm making money on the house, they've never been an investor, because I'm taking on somebody's risk. If you agree with me, give me a thumbs up. Tell me your thoughts. If you disagree with me, let me know that also. Give me a thumbs down. I don't care, but I feel very strongly about that. If I'm gonna take a risk, which buying a $290,000 house, putting $50,000 in it and breaking even, or quite possibly losing several thousand, that's a risk. I've spent so much time coming over here, and it's not a tremendous amount of times I have crews that do my jobs for me, but it's a lot. I'd much rather be sitting on the beach, going on the boat, vacationing somewhere, but I'm coming in here, spending time on a house that I'm gonna make no money on. I'm quite possibly gonna lose a little bit. Now again, it doesn't happen very often. But, sorry, that comment fired me up, because to me it's an ignorant comment. Because we're taking a risk. This is a big risk. It's quite possible I end up losing 10,000, maybe even 15,000. I'll try and run numbers. If I think about it, I'll put it on the website or on a future video. But hopefully, this is the last time I'll have to walk through this house. This is Wednesday, we're supposed to close on Monday, have the closing time set up. They got their second appraisal came back good. I'm buying them an expensive warranty that they kind of demanded. So hopefully there's a problem, the warranty will cover. They have a new roof, they have new central heating and air, the water heater's good, everything's pretty much good, they have a warranty. So hopefully I'm gonna flush this thing down the toilet and be done with it. So what are your thoughts? What are your thoughts on that comment I was made? Yeah, Randy, it was hating because I was making money on one of the deals that I flipped. But I kind of offset some of this if I take a loss. So that's all I have for you. If you like the videos, like the raw, uncut, unscripted, just talking through knowledge with you, experience that I've acquired over 26 years, leave me a thumbs up, subscribe. Love to get the subscriptions high enough, so I may just do these videos live. But I need to be at a certain level in order to do that. So for now, that's it. Hope you have a great evening.